With cold stream cider, there are no nasty additives, powders, or sugars, just fruit, so it's little wonder our ciders are one of our most popular drinks. Our cold stream cider is medium dry with a pale, straw color. Apples are crushed and then cold fermented with the champagne yeast. I believe this is paramount to give our cider its clean, crisp taste.
G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pierre and this is Simple Home Brew. This is the first of a bunch of videos I'm going to make on apple cider. This is February and this month we're going to do apple cider only, no beers. There's only going to be one exception, is that I've got to taste test one of my beers that I made, which I may do during the month sometime, but it doesn't matter. What do you do? Today I'm just trying, well actually I should start off with, I've decided to do this because a member of my family gave me a pack of apple ciders. Now for you Americans, we call alcoholic ciders, alcoholic apple juice, apple ciders. I know you guys don't. And we also call apple juice. That's all we call it, nothing more. I think you guys call it hard apple cider, maybe? I think that's what you call it. Anyway, today I'm going to try one. This one's from Yarra Valley. It's cold stream Yarra Valley apple cider. It's a beautiful little can there, just simple, basically made one. Pretty good looking, nothing special, you know. It's handcrafted from 100% fresh fruit that they made. They source their fruit from our local area in Victoria, which is great. It's 5% alcohol, and they pretty much say that they take pride in their workmanship and the quality of their beers. Well, they do beer, the quality of their apple ciders. So I'm going to open her up, and a nice little hiss from the can. It's not beer, so I've got to remember that. Something different, I told you. I'm going to pour it in. Oh, look at that. It's actually very, very light. Now I'm pouring it like beer, but it's actually a cider, so it's not going to have much of a head, if any. So there it is. Your nice little carbonated piece of clarity. Very nice. They said it's a straw colour, but I think it's even lighter than straw, to tell you the truth. It's just almost white. Let's have a smell, eh? Just pure apple. They said they ferment it using champagne yeast, so gives it that crispy smell. I don't know if it's going to be sweet. It says it's mildly dry, so let's see how it goes, eh? And what I'm getting is apple. Clean, fresh apples. It's actually like green apple, to tell you the truth. It's not dry. It's sweet, but I'm used to dry stuff anyway. Definitely got that apple taste. I'm getting a bit of what do you call it? Sulfur. That's probably what comes from the yeast. Not sure, but you guys obviously tell me. You're pretty smart like that. But other than that, it's really, really crisp, fresh, tasty. Cannot pick any alcohol in that at all, which is ideal. Actually, it's probably scary if you drink too much of it too quick. I mean, 5% alcohol, it's not too bad. So this is the first of apple cider videos. I'm going to be doing a apple cider as well. I'm going to be doing a Mangrove Jack's apple cider. Actually, I'll show you. Right, and while I'm thinking about it, I'm getting different flavours in my mouth. I'll explain it to you. Almost a pear flavour. Actually, I'm doing a pear cider. So this is a Mangrove Jack's pear cider. This is a video that will be coming up in the near future. So handcrafted premium apple cider, pear cider. So that's something I'll be doing during this February month, as well as trying ciders every day, every week, maybe 2 in a week. Hang on, I'll just show you something. So I grabbed my phone, I'll film what I've got in the fridge. So I've got a couple here. These are Zephyr and Culture House and Batlow and Sci-Fi and, you know, a couple others. So we're going to try all these during the month, as well as just do normal beer videos. So cheers guys, I hope you enjoy them. I hope they do something for you. I'm probably going to do this after work during the week. That's really nice. It's really crispy. To tell you the truth, it's just like apple juice. It's like a fizzy apple juice. It's really nice. It's I'm really happy with that one. It's a really nice beer. Apple cider. I've got to get used to that. All right, guys. Cheers. Thank you for watching. I look forward to doing some more with you. This is the first of 6 videos this month. We'll see you soon. Cheers.